song about a guy who was passed on. He was one of those people in the bar world in Memphis who was larger than life. Got to be too large for life in Memphis, so he moved to Nashville and became a pest for a lot of shitty folks. He'd get up in their face, get up in their business, for one reason and one reason only. He'd sit in a bar like this and he'd yell up at somebody up on stage, play a train song until they either played a train song or they complained to the manager and were told to pack up their shit and make their exit. Perfect time. Anyway, this is called Play a Train Song. Smoking long black Cadillac, the engine's winding down. He used to park on the sidewalk like he owned the whole damn town. I could hear him talking to some chick through a thick ghost of smoke. Through a thicker haze of southern comfort and cold. He said, girl, you're hotter than the hinges hanging off the gates of hell. Don't be afraid to turn to me, babe, if he don't treat you well. And by he and me, so I laughed and I shook his head. He laughed a little bit louder as he yelled up at the band, play train song. Pour me one last round. Make them leave my boots on the day they lay me down. And they run away, locomotive out of my one-track mind. And I'm looking for any kind of trouble I can find. Got this old black leather jacket, pack of Marlboro Reds, yeah, a little stash here in my pocket, these weird thoughts up in my head. I've got to run, and I gotta walk or run till I gotta crawl. Yeah, I got this moment that I'm in right now, and nothing else at all. Play a train song, pour me one last round. Make them leave my boots on the day they lay me down. I am a runaway locomotive out of my one-track mind. Yeah, and I'm looking for any kind of trouble I can find. Just like Winston. Through the television blizzard lights, we looked around his place. We found him cold on the sofa, man with a smile across his face. And though I tried to swallow my sadness, I just could not weep. Poor man who looked at me like he died laughing in his sleep, singing in the train song. Having one last round, we made him leave his boots on the day they laid him down. He was a runaway locomotive out of his one-track mind. Play train song, play train song, play train song. Here's where Sebastian Diaz's part would come in right here. Just noodle and 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 noodle. Yeah.